Lately, meditation has been hailed as the wonder drug for our minds. And in this video, we'll explore the science and the research behind meditation to understand if meditation really holds up to the title of the wonder drug for our minds, for our brains. And here, we're going to talk about 9 scientifically proven life-changing benefits of meditation. Okay, number 1, meditation improves our ability to process information and make decisions. In 2012, Dr. Eileen Ludders and her colleagues at UCLA Laboratory for Neuroimaging conducted a study where they took MRI scans of long-term meditators who did Vipassana Meditation and compared them to the control group of non-meditators. They found that long-term meditators have higher gyrification in the brain across a wide area of the cortex compared to those who do not meditate. Gyrification is the folding of the cortex, which makes the brain denser and allows the brain to process information faster. Gyrification is responsible for making our brains better at improving attention, processing information, making decisions, and forming memories. Also, there was a positive correlation between the number of meditation years and the amount of gyrification. Number 2, meditation improves our cognitive skills, ability to sustain attention, and work under stress. A recent study by scientists at the University of North Carolina, Charlotte found that students were able to improve their performance on tests of cognitive skills after just 4 days of meditation training for only 20 minutes per day. On one particularly challenging computer test of sustained attention, students who meditated did 10 times better than a control group. They also did significantly better on timed information processing tasks that were designed to induce deadline stress. The next life-changing benefit of meditation is that meditation makes you stronger against pain, against physical pain. A research group from the University of Montreal exposed meditation practitioners and comparable non-practitioners to equal degrees of painful heat while measuring their brain activity in a functional magnetic resonance imaging scanner, also known as fMRI scanner. What they discovered was that the meditation practitioners reported less pain than the non-practitioners. Actually, they reported less pain than what their fMRI indicated, which implies that even though their brain may be receiving the same amount of pain input, in their minds, there's actually less pain. The next life-changing benefit of meditation is that meditation helps reduce symptoms of panic and anxiety. In a research published in the American Journal of Psychiatry in 2006, patients diagnosed with anxiety disorder and panic disorder were submitted to 3 months of meditation training. For 90% of those patients, the effects of panic and anxiety had reduced substantially, and the changes were maintained at follow-up. The next key benefit of meditation is that it helps reduce depression. In a study conducted in Belgium, secondary school students who followed a mindfulness program reported reduced indications of depression, anxiety, and stress up to 6 months later. These students were also less likely to develop depression-like symptoms at a later time. So why does mindfulness meditation really help with depression? Well, mindfulness is a form of meditation focused on exercising present moment awareness. Mindfulness meditation trains you to become aware of your thoughts and feelings in the present moments, and depression is often a result of a downward spiral of negative feelings and worries. So when a person learns to quickly recognize these feelings and thoughts as a result of mindfulness meditation practice, he or she can intervene with these thoughts before depression starts to take hold. The next key life-changing benefit of meditation is that meditation increases gray matter concentration in the brain. Harvard neuroscientists ran an experiment where a group of people were submitted to an 8-week mindfulness meditation program. At the end of the program, MRI scans showed that the gray matter concentration increased in areas of the brain involved in learning, memory, regulating emotions, sense of self, and having perspective. Other studies also show larger hippocampal and frontal volumes of gray matter for long-term meditators. The next key benefit of meditation is that meditation helps with emotional regulation and response control. In a combined study at University of California, Los Angeles and University of Jena, Germany in 2008, researchers subjected meditators and control groups to high-resolution MRIs. They detected significantly larger gray matter volumes in meditators in the right orbital frontal cortex as well as in the right thalamus and the left inferior temporal gyrus. In addition, meditators showed significantly larger volumes of the right hippocampus. Both orbitofrontal and hippocampal regions are involved with emotional regulation and response control, so larger volumes in these regions led to meditators' singular abilities and habits to cultivate positive emotions, retain emotional stability, and engage in mindful behavior. The next key benefit of meditation is that meditation helps manage ADHD, also known as Attention Deficit Hyperactivity Disorder. In a 2014 study of ADHD patients, the group that was submitted to mindfulness training demonstrated reduced hyperactivity, reduced impulsivity and psychological distress, and increased act with awareness skill, contributing to an overall improvement in ADHD symptom. These findings were reported in the Clinical Neurophysiology journal. The next key benefit of meditation is that meditation increases the ability to keep focus in spite of distractions. A 2012 study from Emory University demonstrated that participants with more meditation experience exhibit increased connectivity within the brain networks controlling attention. The research showed that the amount of time an individual spends practicing meditation is directly correlated with activity and connectivity changes in the brain, particularly in attentional regions. These neural relationships are involved in the development of cognitive skills such as maintaining attention and disengaging from distraction. Moreover, the benefits of the practice were observed also in normal state of consciousness during the day, not just during the meditation practice, which shows that even though you might meditate once or twice a day, the effects last all day long. So if you want to experience these life-changing benefits of meditation, benefits like improving your ability to process information and make decisions, improving your cognitive skills and ability to sustain attention and work under stress, becoming resilient against physical pain, reducing panic and anxiety, reducing negative thinking and depression, increasing gray matter concentration in the brain, improving emotional intelligence, improving your ability to focus, and improving your ability to shut out distractions, well, you need to start practicing meditation today. Right now. So let me show you how to start meditating. I have personally been doing mindfulness meditation for over 20 years now. I tried various forms of meditation over the last 20 years, but there's one kind that I found to be the most powerful and potent. It is called Vipassana Meditation, the same kind that Tim Ferriss practices and speaks very highly of. I learned this meditation back in 1996 in India, and it is said that this is the meditation that Buddha taught to his disciples 2,500 years ago. The word Vipassana is a Sanskrit word that breaks down Vi meaning intense or powerful and Pasana meaning seeing. It is all about observing powerfully, and that is the essence of mindfulness meditation in its purest form. Vipassana meditation teaches us to observe the most fundamental truths of our existence, our mind, our breath, and our body. That's it. Not surprisingly, Vipassana is also the most researched form of meditation today. Most of the research I mentioned in this video was based on Vipassana meditation. So in order to help you start meditating, I have put together a very simple and free guided Vipassana meditation audio. All you need to do is download that audio and press play, and you will be meditating in 30 seconds flat. You can click right here or go to 2000books.com/meditate to grab this simple and free guided meditation audio that will guide you through the whole process of mindfulness meditation. And if you haven't yet subscribed to our channel, make sure to do so, as we summarize a lot of great business and personal development books on our channel. We have over 70 book summaries on our channel, and there are more summaries coming every single week.